Assalamu alaikum. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor Biology, Greenfield School and College. Today is class 10 students English version. How are you? Today is chapter 11. Okay, we will discuss one important creative question from chapter 11. Chapter 11 is reproduction in organism. Okay, here reproduction in organism. See one creative question, two figure X and figure Y. Okay, figure X and indicate A. Okay, and figure Y. What is the name of figure A? Anybody guess? Yeah, this is egg. Okay, first one, question A, what is placenta? What is placenta? The special organ through which the fetus in the uterus is connected to the tissue of the mother is called placenta. Okay, this is placenta. And what is calyx? Another question A, what is calyx? What is calyx? The outermost ore of a flower is called calyx. Okay, this is known as calyx and placenta. Then go to how pollination occurs in Vallisneria. Okay, how pollination occurs in Vallisneria? Explain. Vallisneria is water pollinated plant. Okay, Vallisneria. Vallisneria is water pollinated plant. We know Vallisneria means pata shaola. Okay, pata shaola. Water pollinated plants are small and lightweight. Okay, so that they can float in the water. They have no fragrance. Okay, তাদের কোনো সুগন্ধ নেই. Okay, fragrance. The petiole in the female flower is longer than that of the male. Okay, স্ত্রী ফুলগুলোর petiole বৃন্তটা থাকে লম্বা দেন মেল ফ্লাওয়ার. ম্যাচিউর মেল ফ্লাওয়ার্স detached from the petiole when the male flower is mature, so then detached from the petiole float in the water and after coming in contact with the female flower. Okay, matured পুং পুষ্পগুলোর বৃন্ত থেকে এসে তারা পানিতে ভাসতে ভাসতে স্ত্রী পুষ্পের সাথে এসে মিলিত হয় and they accomplished pollination. Okay, so this is the question of how pollination occurs in Vallisneria. Explain. Number C, explain the development of A of figure X. Okay, explain the development of figure A. Figure A is egg. Okay, stem is female gametophyte and A marked part is egg. The process of development of egg into the female gametophyte is described below. Then you draw your picture. Okay, so first one, megaspore mother cell. Okay, megaspore mother cell, matured megaspore mother cell. Then here meiosis occurs. Okay, meiosis occurs. Meiosis, meiosis. Okay, meiosis occurs and then produce 4 megaspore. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 4 megaspore cell and here uppermost 3 degenerating megaspore. Okay, one is developed and one developing course bear one nucleus. Then here occurs mitosis cell division and produce 2 nucleus. Okay, here produce 2 nucleus. Then again mitosis, so 4 nucleus. Then again mitosis, so 8. Okay, 2 side here 2 nucleus goes to 2 poles. Okay, here 4, here 8. Then between 2 poles one is going to middle portion. Okay, here 1, here 1, so 2, and then they fuse together and produce secondary nucleus. So secondary nucleus is twice n. Okay, remember that. Secondary nucleus is twice n and here antipodal cell and here please see that here one cell become larger and nucleus is bigger than any other. that is known as egg, and beside the eggs here two cells that is known as synergid cell. Okay, everyone. So dear students, look at this here figure different stages of the development of female gametophytes or the stages of egg formation also. Okay, different stages of the development of female gametophyte or the stages of egg formation. Okay, this is the figure of number C question. Okay, explain the development of A of figure X in the stem. So you will draw the figure is must. Okay, so then description. The X of the stem is female gametophyte and A mark part is egg. The process of development of egg into the female gametophyte is described below. Then your figure, and then near the micropyle being nourished in the nucleus of an ovule, a cell started to become larger. Okay, one cell is become larger. Its protoplasm is dense and the nucleus is comparatively large. The cell divide into 4 haploid cell. Here 4 haploid cell through mitotic division. Every cell except the smallest one gets disintegrated, growing gradually. The larger cell mutates into an embryo sac. This is known as embryo sac. This is embryo sac. This is embryo sac. Okay, here this is known as embryo sac. Then and every picture the embryo sac is become larger. Okay, the nucleus of the cell is haploid. The nuclei are evolved as the nucleus divides. These two nuclei take position into opposite poles. Okay, next these two nuclei consecutively divide twice and result in 4 nuclei. Here this is 4 nuclei. Okay, 2 nuclei and then 4 nuclei. In the next stage, 2 nuclei from the two poles come to the middle of the cell and get fused to cause the emergence of the haploid secondary nuclei. Okay, this is haploid secondary nuclei. Then the nuclei in the two poles turn into cell with some amount of cytoplasm. Okay, collectively the combined structure of the 3 cells near the micropyle is called the egg apparatus. Okay, this is known as egg apparatus. Okay, everyone. In between the cells, the one occupying the middle place is the ovum. This is ovum, egg or ovum. Okay, this is egg or ovum. Okay, which is a little larger. This is called an egg cell and the other two are called synergid cell. Okay, middle cell is larger. This is known as egg, and besides the egg that is known as synergid cell. Okay, everyone. The cell in the opposite pole, this is the cell in the opposite pole. The egg apparatus are called antipodal cell. This is antipodal cell. Okay, this is how the process of developing the embryo sac is done. Okay, this is very important for you. Number D, analyze the importance of X and Y in the formation of embryo. Okay, analyze the importance of X and Y. Here X is female gametophyte and Y is male gametophyte. Okay, analyze the importance of X and Y in the formation of embryo and endosperm. Okay, embryo and endosperm, please. Figure X of the stem is female gametophyte and figure Y is male gametophyte. Okay, is it clear? I think clear. Female gamete or ovum is produced into the female gametophyte and male gamete or ovum is produced into the male gametophyte. Okay, you know also. During fertilization, active sperm. Okay, active sperm. Please be attentive. During fertilization, active sperm penetrates into the ovum and the two nucleus fuse together. Okay, two nucleus fuse together. The two fusions mixing of a male gamete with an egg. Male gamete is 2. Okay, an egg and mixing of another male gamete with secondary nucleus. Here one male gamete is fused by egg and one male gamete fused by secondary nucleus. Please take place at the same time. Okay, this phenomenon is called double fertilization. Okay, this is also called double fertilization. What is double fertilization? One male gamete fused secondary nucleus. This is called double fertilization. Okay, a zygote is the first cell of the saprophyte. Okay, a zygote cell is the first cell of a sporophyte. Okay, two cells are produced after its first division. At the same time, the flourishing of the endosperm is also initiated. A zygote divides transversely. Okay, zygote divides. This is zygote, so transversely. Okay, and this is longitudinally, but zygote divides transversely. The cell towards the micropyle is called the basal cell, and the cell towards the center of the embryo sac is called the apical cell. Okay, the division of these two cells continues simultaneously. Okay, gradually the apical cell turns into the embryo. Okay, the suspensor also gets developed concurrently. Okay, the cotyledon, radicle and plumule are developed one after another, and the secondary nucleus start to make the endosperm. The cell in an endosperm are diploid. Here secondary nucleus already twice n, and male gametophyte is n. Okay, so here secondary nucleus and male gametophyte, they fuse together and form thrice-n. Okay, this is triploid. Triploid mean thrice-n, meaning they possess 3 set of chromosome. Already you know. At maturity, the ovule with the endosperm and embryo turns into a seed. As the seed germinates, a complete sporophyte is developed. Okay, so male gametophyte and female gametophyte is twice n, that is known as fertilization, and secondary nucleus and male gametophyte convert or fused thrice n. So this is triploid and thrice n. As the seed germination, a complete sporophyte is developed. Thus, female gametophyte and male gametophyte play important role in the formation of embryo and endosperm. Okay, dear student, this question is Rajshahi Board 19. Okay, Rajshahi Board 19. This creative question is very important for you. Then some important question A and B. Okay. Why first one, what is calyx? Already I know. B, why flower is needed for plant? Okay, why flower is needed for plant? Have any idea? Okay, a flower is a special type of modified shoot for reproduction. A flower is the reproductive organ of a higher plant. Two means endoecium and gynoecium of the 5 odes of a flower are very significant for reproduction. You know 5 parts of an ideal flower. Okay, also they directly take part in the reproduction. Though after part or odes of a flower do not directly take part in reproduction, they help the process. So flower is needed to plant for reproduction. Okay. This is the question of number 2. Okay. Then go to what is puberty. What is puberty? Puberty means boyosandhi. Okay. What is puberty? The transitional. Okay. The transitional period between the adolescence and the youth is named as puberty. Transitional period. Okay. মধ্যবর্তী হ্যাঁ ট্রানজিশনাল পিরিয়ড বিটুইন দ্য adolescence and the youth, okay, is named as puberty. Then puberty is one long question. Okay, then which organ of the uterus play act as kidney? Which organ of the uterus play act as kidney? Okay, kidney. Which organ? The organ of uterus which act as kidney is placenta. Okay, already you have known that. Okay, the organ of the uterus which act as kidney is placenta. Placenta is a temporary organ through which the fetus, okay, through which the fetus in the uterus is connected to the tissue of the mother. ওকে, তোমার এবং মানে এমব্রায়ো এবং মায়ের মধ্যে সংযোগ স্থাপন করে যে সেটাই হচ্ছে প্লাসেন্টা। হ্যাঁ, দেখো, হুইচ দ্য ফিটাস ইন দ্য ইউটেরাস ইজ কানেক্টেড টু দ্য টিস্যু অফ দ্য মাদার। মেটাবলিক ওয়েস্ট প্রোডাক্ট ইজ ডিফিউজড ফ্রম দ্য এমব্রায়োনিক ব্লাড ক্যাপিলারিজ ইনটু দ্য মাদার্স ব্লাড স্টেম। ইন দিস ওয়ে দ্য ওয়েস্ট প্রোডাক্ট আর eliminated. Okay, this is another question for number 2. Then go to what is non-sessile flower. Okay, non-sessile flower is they have no pedicle. Okay, non-sessile flower is flower they have which have no pedicle. Okay, the flowers which have no pedicle are called non-sessile flower. Okay, such as Rajanigandha. This is non-sessile flower, and sessile flower is the example of China rose. Okay, rose, China rose, etc. This is the difference between sessile and non-sessile. Okay, so the flowers which have no pedicle, brinto. Okay, pedicle মানে বৃন্ত, যে ফুলে বৃন্ত থাকে না, they have no pedicle are called non-sessile flower. This is the question for 1 marks. Then what type of pollination is occurred? What type of pollination is occurred in Dhutora flower? Explain. This is the question answer for 2 nong question. Okay, 2 nong question and number will be 2. What type of pollination? Okay, in Dhutora flower self pollination is occurred. Okay, by the pollination kintu bole nai. Okay, what type of pollination? Your answer will be self pollination. In Dhutora flower self pollination is occurred when transfer of pollen occurs on the same flower or on 2 flowers of the same plant is called self pollination. Okay, the process is not dependent on a carrier. Okay, self pollination here there is no carrier. The process is not depend on a carrier, so the occurrence of pollination is ensured and wastage of pollination is less. Okay, very important line. The occurrence of pollination is ensured and waste of pollination is less because they have they have no help of carrier, so the pollination is must and waste of pollen is less. The feature of the species can be maintained in this process. Okay, this is the another important question for B. So this is the discuss of some A and B question and one full complete CQ Rajshahi Board 19. Okay, you try with the best and এটা ভালো করে পড়বে, এই প্রশ্নটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট। দিস ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট ফর ইউ for the next exam, pre-test exam. In this chapter is so big, but some creative question is very important, and very important question from this chapter you will get your board question. So still then, Allah Hafiz, take care of you. Okay, Allah Hafiz.